This is Artificial Reefs by Ethan Eastman. A summary of my first five adopted topics would be that artificial reefs are everywhere and their sizes can range, some of them as big as naval ships and some of them just small as a couple cinder blocks. Their artificial reefs have played important roles in reviving coral reefs and the biodiversity that lives in them. The reefs are extremely important because they are home to 9,000 different species, which is more than tropical rainforests. And reefs are dying from the pollution that we humans have made, and we should take some sort of responsibility. And artificial reefs is a good start. Artificial reefs can be made out of different materials such as rubber, concrete, or sunken vehicles. My topic six is an article that showed proof of artificial reefs reviving a species. So, in the 17th century, um, big populations of oysters were killed off the Atlantic coast because of population and development. But now they're more abundant in Virginia, Maryland, and New Jersey. Maryland installed 13,500 oyster castles that helped revive this population. And the reviving of this population is important because oysters are important. They filter tons and tons of water. And the more oysters we have, the cleaner water there is. Now, here are some images of different not coral reefs, artificial reefs. In the top left, there's a dome, an artificial kind of dome. Top right is edited to look better. Um, Image of a car. The bottom two, we have a ship, and then we have some cinder blocks. The top left here is the USS Oriskany, which is I believe, the largest naval ship to be sunken and used as an artificial reef. And top right, there is concrete piping, which is very popular in some places because companies will donate concrete piping. Bottom left, that is an oyster castle that Maryland used, and in the bottom right is rubber tires. Off the coast of Florida right now, we have tons and tons of rubber tires, which is actually not good for the environment because the plan failed. They had metal clamps holding them together, but the metal clamps rusted and fell apart, and now there are giant rubber tires floating everywhere. Here's some memes I thought you guys would all enjoy. For example, yo, where my reef at? What artificial reef we got today? The tire reef in Florida. Ah, nah, I'm good. That's damaging the environment. All right, thank you. Artificial reefs are important.